Learn OSI model in 5 minutes. Welcome to Bleeding Science. Open Systems Interconnection (OSI) was developed by the International Standards Organization (ISO) in 1984. There are 7 layers of OSI model: application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, physical. Layers are linked with each other using interface. The first 3 layers are on the network end, while the last 3 layers are on the host or user end. Layer 4, that is transport layer, acts as a bridge between both ends. Application layer, used by the applications that require to operate in some network. For example, Google Chrome, Skype and Internet. Enables the user, either human or software, to access the network. Most common application layer protocols are Telnet, FTP and SMTP, etc. Presentation layer. This layer is concerned with syntax and semantics of info exchange between 2 systems. Functions of presentation layer: translation, data compression, lossy or lossless, encoding or encryption. In the diagram, you can see that information entered by the user is translated into machine-understandable language. Then data compression is applied to reduce the size of data, and last, encryption has been applied to secure the data. Session layer establishes, maintains, and synchronizes the interaction between communicating systems. Functions of session layer: dialogue control. Session layer allows 2 systems to enter into a dialogue. Synchronization. Session layer allows a process to add checkpoints, synchronization points, in a stream of data. Authentication, authorization, and session management are some more functions of session layer. Transport layer, it ensures that the whole message arrives at the destination intact. Functions of transport layer: service point addressing, multi-port address. When you are using several programs connected to internet from same PC, SPA delivers that data to the right destination. Segmentation and reassembly. Flow control, that is, to maintain a link that can handle the speed which is compatible to both transmitter and receiver. 2 type of connection control: connection-less and connection-oriented. Network layer, it is responsible for source-to-destination delivery, after estimating the optimum route from source to destination. Functions of network layer. Number 1. Logical addressing, IP allocation. As shown in the diagram, this layer is responsible to allocate a unique IP address to the user. Number 2. Routing, that is, to find the best or optimal path from the source to the destination. Most common protocols of this layer are NAT, IP, RIP, OSPF and IMCP, etc. Routers are used at this layer. Data link layer, it receives the data from network layer and creates frames, add physical address to these frames, and then pass them to physical layer. This layer is divided into 2 further blocks as shown in figure 1. LLC, logical link control. Functions of LLC includes framing, bit stuffing, which is adding of 1 or more dummy bits into a transmission unit as a way to provide signaling information to a receiver. Other function of LLC includes error control, which can be achieved by parity check, CRC, or retransmission, etc. The second subgroup of data link layer is media access control, commonly known as MAC. The function of MAC is to allocate the media among the users. Examples of MAC protocols are LOHA or CSMA, etc. Physical layer, it deals with mechanical and electrical specifications of transmission medium and interface. The main functions of physical layer are 1. Physical characteristics of interface and media. For example, deciding a topology of a network. Number 2. Data rate or transmission rate. Number 3. To decide transmission mode. It can be simplex, half-duplex, or full duplex. Let us recap OSI model. User enters data into computer using application layer. Then this data is translated, compressed and encrypted by presentation layer. Session layer establishes, maintains and terminates sessions. End-to-end message delivery is ensured by transport layer. Network layer allocates IP and routes the packets towards its destination. Organization of bits into frames are accomplished at data link layer. Physical layer is responsible to decide several transmission factors as data is transmitted into the channel towards the destination by this layer. If you have any further questions, you can ask your instructor. Thank you for watching.